Hey, it's Eric with HoosierCycles. This rat rod handlebars I built, I get my hand on them right here, for this women's Coast King. I just not happy with them. I think they're too wide. We got a swap meet tomorrow that I want to put a set of narrow bars together, and I'm going to go in the garage here and put some handlebars together, show you what I'm going to come up with. All right, so this is what I've picked out. I've got some drop down bar steel, another set of pullbacks, some real narrow ones there, and a set of BMX bars. So between these three, I'm going to put something together a little bit narrower for the Coast King. So maybe the bike looks a little more appealing to more masses than those big wide ones. So I'm just going to start with the BMX bars, and this will be my rise here. I'm just going to go right underneath the crossbar here and just cut. And then from there, I'm just going to build out. going to make a shim for a handlebar. Since I was using that 1-inch stem, I've got to reduce it down so I can grab a 7/8. So this is what I've done in the past. Since I was modifying those bars, I've got the center that I cut out of that 1-inch bar. It'd have been easier if I just decided on the stem, but I didn't. So I'm going to use this center piece that's knurled to use as a shim. Alright, so now I got a shim. Alright, so here's the Coast King again with the big bars I had put on. I'm going to swap this out for a new set, a lot smaller. And okay, let's see if the shims work. It's a little tall. Should clear though. I don't know if I need both of them or not. Yeah, it ain't going anywhere. We'll get some more turns on it. Loosen this one. Go this way. Alright, let's put it on the ground here. See what we look like. Move you back a little bit. Oh, those look real nice. Yeah, those shims work. So you get a side profile, and you got the front there. I think the bars look a lot better.